what is the topic of our lesson is evaporation. What is the topic? Evaporation. Evaporation means when we boil something, what happens? The water gets heated, and when water gets heated, its particle gets heat energy. Yeah, and it starts getting separated, and then they evaporate, goes up and becomes gas in the form of water vapor. So here I will show you how to separate what is solution, what is solvent, what is solute. Now see, in a beaker I have taken some water and I am mixing some sand. This is the sand and salt in this. Now see, I have added salt and sand in this. Now I have shaked it well. Now what is this? It has become a solution. That water is a solvent and the thing we have added in it is a solute. And it has become a solution. Now see here everyone, that now this solution, what I am going to, how can I separate this sand? Can you tell? Yes, Varna?
By taking that
filtration. Yeah. This I will take and I will filter it. Now this process is called filtration. What is this process called? Filtration. See here I am filtering it. Now what will happen when I will filter it? What is going down? Sand is here. And what is there in this? Salt and water. Now this salt and water, how can I separate this salt and water? Now see, here salt is remained. Through filtration we have differentiated the sand, we have kept separately, and salt and water we have separated. Now suppose again this water is inside this. Can any other way you can ask me? You can tell me that we can separate the sand and water. Can any other way? We can do it by sedimentation. How we can do that? What is sedimentation? Let that settle down. Let heavy particles settle down. Sand is heavy particle. It will settle down. I will take out the water and the salt water separately. This is the process called sedimentation, in which impurities are settling down. Okay. And then I am taking out this water. This is called decantation. What is this? Decantation. So now we have learned the word. First word was solution. Solute. Solvent. Sedimentation. Decantation. Now all of us will keep this solution of salt and water in warm place. Here some rays are coming. I have kept it here. I reduce the amount of the water. So that it can evaporate in a short time. Now next day when we will see what will happen in this. One by one, I want answer from Harshvardhan. Yes.
When we put it in a warm place, when water will evaporate and salt
will remain in this. Will that be same salt in color like this?
No.
That will not be color like this, but it will a little different. So I have done this experiment before at my place, and see how the salt came out like this. You can see the crystals of salt. Can you see? Now water evaporated and the crystal of this salt is there. So now you know that Gandhiji did the quit march. What he did?
Quit march.
In that he told us that please don't use the salt which is coming from foreign countries in India. So we should be doing that for our own country. We should be producing the salt. And how they did? They did that marching. They went near the Sabarmati river So now